What's up guys, it's your girl Sabrina and I am back with a brand new video for you guys. This video is my 2023 morning routine slash hygiene routine, self-care, whatever you want to call it. You can see that I am starting out with brushing my teeth. I always start this way. I'm brushing my teeth. In this video I am focusing more on my body, on myself. I did not show you guys everything that I do in the morning, things like fixing my bed, working out and cleaning and stuff like that. I just wanted to focus on myself. So I'm starting out by brushing my teeth. I was using the Crest Optic White toothpaste, and to brush my teeth, it's very refreshing toothpaste. I really like it. Once I was done brushing my teeth, you can see in this clip that I'm putting the brush away, and I am going to scrub my lips. In the winter, my lips, they're always peeling, and I always have to use something to exfoliate my lips. And you can see that I'm using like a lip brush to scrub my lips, but I put some toothpaste on it so that I can scrub my lips. If you can hear in my voice, I am still sick. I'm still battling a cold. My voice is still not back to normal, but I am fighting so that I can make this voiceover, guys, and I really hope you guys enjoy this voiceover. And also I wanted to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you're new here to this channel, this is the first time watching one of my videos, consider subscribing. Press the black subscribe button down below so that you become a part of this family, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for always being here to supporting this channel. Thank you so much. Here you can see that I am shaving my face. I don't do this very often, but I do this sometimes because when I have a little hairs on my face, I can feel them, and when I try to put on my makeup, my foundation doesn't come out very smooth, so I do this sometimes. Now I am about to take a shower. I am turning on the water because my water takes a little bit of time to get hot, so I'm turning it on first. And then I am in the shower. Now I'm taking my bath. I'm just washing my body with soap, and then I'm going to also wash my body with a body wash. I do not cleanse my face in the shower sometimes. Like this day, I didn't cleanse my face in the shower because I wanted to take care of my face, my skin really well. So I just took a shower and washing my feet and everything. And then once I'm done, I'm gonna get out of the shower and do my skincare. Now it's time for me to cleanse my face. I am using my duvolle facial brush again, and I wanted to try some new products that my husband bought for me for Christmas. This is like the Burt's Bee facial cleanser, and I wanted to try this, so that's what I'm using to cleanse my face on that day. I just put a little bit on the brush, and then I am brushing my face with it. Keep in mind, remember that I did not wash my face in the shower. I just wanted to take care of my face separately. So that is what I'm doing, cleansing my face. And then once I'm done cleansing my face, I did put a toner on my face after. I forgot to show that in the clip. I did cleanse it, rinse it, and then I put a toner on my face. But I am really taking my time to really wash my face and cleanse it so that my skin can feel fresh. Once I'm done rinsing my face, I am going to spray my face with a facial mist, and then I am going to use my face serum to moisturize my face and just to like smooth out my face. Now I am going to put some lip balm. This is also from Burt. It is from the package that my husband gave to me for Christmas. I am putting on the Burt lip balm right now. And once I'm done with my lips, I am going to head on to put my clothes on first. And then I'm going to head on to the kitchen so I can make my green smoothie. I love to drink a smoothie in the morning. It is super healthy. It is refreshing, especially after working out. Green smoothie is important to me. So it's super simple. This recipe is very simple. It is just spinach and strawberries. I am just going to be putting a bunch of spinach in my blender, and then a few strawberries, maybe 4 or 5. And then I am going to add a little bit of milk, and then that's it. Just blend it. I didn't add no ice because I am sick. I did not add any ice. I didn't want it to be too cold so that I don't end up coughing. I just added the spinach, strawberries, like as you can see, and some milk. And then I am going to blend it all together. And then it's super simple. That's just how I make it. So yeah. This is what my green smoothie looks like when it's done. It is super delicious, very easy to make, very, very easy. And now it's time for me to enjoy my green smoothie, guys. It is a very simple recipe. You can definitely try this. It's super fast and simple to do, and it's super good for you. It's super healthy. So yeah, guys, this is all for my morning routine.